everybody. Today I'm gonna do a craft with you about circles and cool things that you love. So get ready with a magazine and some scissors, and we need some glue and string, or you could use ribbon or yarn, whatever you want to use. And then anything you want to use to make the circles, you could use different sizes of cups for different sizes. Also, I found like some lids that worked good. So whatever you want to use. So what I did already to show you was I did a bunch of them, and you can also just do on colored paper. So I wanted to show you that. So I have this handy dandy little jar thing, and what I did was I just took it and used a ballpoint pen, because if you're gonna do on magazines, that shows up good on magazines. And it even makes a little indentation. You can see if it's not. Okay, so I just drew some circles, cut them out. Careful with the scissors. Follow whatever your rules of the house are about scissors. And then I cut them out and glued them onto the string, and I'll show you how I did that, okay? So then you could use this over your door to your bedroom. You could hang it around your door. You could hang it over your bed, and it would have all pictures of things that make you happy. Something that makes you happy. Here's some little bear cubs. So also with the plain paper, I used some markers, and you can just make some fun designs on the back, right? I think you can see that. There we go. Okay. So you can make a little flower or circles or whatever, right? And then I took, what happened to my bear cubs? There they are. Take that, lay it down, put the string over it in the middle, take your glue, make a little thing of glue, right? And then put that on top of the circle, smush it down, and that'll hold good. You got two different things there, a color with a little pattern on it and a fun design. And then the idea is just look through magazines for anything that makes you happy, right? Okay, there's a chocolate chip cookie, that's pretty good right there. Then just take your cup or whatever you're using, put it there, draw around it with your pen. Whoops, I just noticed my tray is in the way there for you. Sorry about that. I'm not a professional videographer, can you tell? Okay, anyway, there you go. And then if you rip out the page, it's easier to cut out. And if you look, you can see the little circle. I like to cut a little piece to cut around, and it makes it just easier for me. And then I didn't worry too much about making it exactly. I just tried to follow the circle, right? And I got that. I've got another little circle. And I just realized I didn't know if I turned it on or not, but I did. I'm a little discombobulated here with this craft, aren't I? Anyway, here we go. And then we do another one, stick it on there. And you can also put two of those together, right? I did quite a few of those at the beginning. Just put however much room you want in between. I'm not putting a lot of room, but you could put more. And then I find it easier to just put it on the one in my hand and then put it down on here because it's easier to deal with. And whatever you're putting the glue on, make sure it doesn't matter if it gets some glue on it. Sometimes I like to glue on a magazine and then you don't have to worry about it. So if you can find some magazines that nobody cares if you cut up, that'd be great. It's easy to find some cool, fun things. Flowers make me happy. Let's see what else. Chocolate chip cookies. Little cute bears. What makes you happy? I'd like to know. So put comments, and if there's a way to put photos, it'd be really fun to see some of what you guys made. I think there's a rule about only being able to see your picture of what you did and not kids in the photo. And so I would love to see some of the pictures of what you guys have done. Okay, talk to you later and you guys have fun. Bye.